Hello FYP-academy viewers. Here I have three different kinds of sunflower plants, each one with a different sunflower seeds, and you wash them here, and and this is another one of them. These sunflower are from one field, and some of them, like these, are empty, and some of them that I can say almost most of them are full seeds, as you can see. This was just an introduction for this kind of seeds right here, and I thought you might like to see some information about these lovely sunflower plants. Have a good time. Thanks for watching.